Guess what, guys? I have a new blow dryer. You want to see it? Hi guys, Kamra Clark here with Elon Blue Talks, where I help you to create stunning wigs through easy to follow steps, explore simple protective hairstyle options, and share tips on growing healthy, beautiful hair naturally. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. All links in this video will be found in the description box below. This is the first time I have blow dried my hair in about 3.5 years. I did a big chop and I needed to allow time for my hair to grow long enough to even blow dry. I do have a big chop video that I'm gonna put right here. So if you wanna see that, just click that link right there. Though I was natural, I had applied so much heat to my hair that the ends were starting to thin out, and I just didn't feel like it was growing as healthy and as vibrant as it could have. So I decided to just start over, which was an interesting decision. But initially, it was too much work to blow dry my hair. I have really coarse, thick, at the time, very long hair, and I'm a 4C type hair, so there's a lot more work that may go into my hair care regimen than many other people. And at the time, I was starting school, so I just didn't want to have an excuse for why I was running late, why I didn't feel like going to class. I did enjoy the process of like having no hair, of like having or super low haircut. I was able to dye it and color it and do a lot of different things with it that I wouldn't have done if with all of this hair because of fear of breakage and all drying out and all of that. So I didn't have to worry about that with my hair so low, because I was gonna either cut it anyways and keep it a certain kind of length anyways for the look, as well as I knew eventually it would all have to grow out. So I even put like a little perm on there to kind of get it nice and slick, because again, I got 4C hair, so short 4C, So yes, it was a process, but yeah, those were my main 3 reasons for going so long without blow drying my hair. But I'm happy to finally kind of have the time as well as have the length to do that now. So I did. I filmed my blow drying process yesterday, and now I'm just kind of re-editing the video so that I can now talk, because that blow dry was super loud and there was going to be no way I could even tell you what's going on in that video. So I will show you the process now. I am excited. Please don't mind my face. I bike in the city of Atlanta, and I was on the Beltline. If you're from Atlanta, you know what I'm talking about, but I was on the Beltline and I got into a little accident. So it got my cheek and my chin and my thigh and my hand a little, but it's nothing, nothing I can't handle. It's not the first time. Hopefully it's the last. Hopefully, but it's healing quite well. Back to the show. I washed my hair already, and then I detangled in the shower, twisted it as well, and now I'm applying a little bit of the Blue Magic grease. I've been using Blue Magic grease lately, and I like it. It's weird. Grease sounds so old, like putting grease on your scalp. Greasing your scalp just sounds crazy to me, but it's been working really good, and I actually like it in my hair. So that's a whole nother video. Some sections I was experimenting with, and I didn't detangle at all, and then tried to detangle after to see how that process was. Not my favorite. I also did a section where I left it in the twist and then blow dried it or sucked it in while it was in the twist, and then took it out from there and tried to detangle. Not one of my favorites either, but I could see that one working sometimes, and yeah, sometimes. But ideally for now, I think I'm just going to detangle after I take out the twist and then blow dry and then retwist it, which is what you'll see. To start, I wanted to put it on the lowest setting, the lowest blowing setting or sucking setting, as well as the lowest heat setting, just to see how well it could do at its bare minimum. And it did okay, but it's not really my thing. I guess it just all depends on how straight I want to get it. And throughout this whole video, you'll see it didn't get that straight. It got straight in general, but it didn't get that straight. Not nearly as straight as a regular blow dry would have done for me. But I still like it, and it still allows my hair to be more manageable. Even on the lowest setting, you can work with it. So throughout the process, I did end up turning the setting up a little. I went to the maximum on all of it. Considering that my hair is 4C, I probably need to go to the max. I have some strong coily hair, so the max is probably where I kind of hang out at. With my hair texture, it is taking a little bit longer to dry all the way at the root, which is totally fine. I just need to apply smaller sections to each suction in order to like really get it to the texture I want. But this was still cool. I really did like the results. So with this process, I'm working with one area at a time. I've already tied up one side of my hair, and I'm just working with the other side, untwisting, detangling, blow drying, and then, or can I even call it blowing? Pull drying, air drying, I don't know, vacuuming, whatever, but I'm blow drying one section of the hair, allowing it to fully dry, and then detangling again, retwisting it, bound to none at the end, and on to the next one. It's really loud, so I have this whole thing on mute, and I decided to record a voiceover over it, or just record something over it so that I can communicate with you. But I'll let you hear what it sounds like now. So yeah, so you see it's kind of loud, not too loud. Literally it's blow drying, so that's just what comes with the territory when you're blow drying your hair. It's just gonna be loud. So of course, the order came with a pamphlet and brochure, a little guide to help you navigate through this, because the concept is really, really new. The idea of like vacuuming or sucking the water out versus like blowing it out. I just thought that was amazing. So in this quick guide, they do have a way of cleaning it. They have like instructions to how you clean, as well as instructions on like parts, like the pretty much the breakdown of it, and just what each part is used for. Also, what was important for me was on this section here. Can you see this? Let's see if we can get it. Okay, so on this end here, they're showing you, depending on the texture of your hair, what time frame you'll need per drying section, I guess. So I thought that was really cool. I am coily. Can you see that? Where are we? So I'm coily, so I need about 90 seconds, it said. So I spent roughly about 90 seconds on each section as I was blow drying, which was kind of long, considering like you're holding the hair in place for that long. I didn't think it was going to be too crazy, but because the way of the whole gadget is, it kind of does add a little bit. My arms were sore. My arms was a little sore the next day. I guess That's more telling of my workout regime as of late than anything else. But it was kind of heavy, so that's a whole nother conversation. Let's go. So overall, I really do like this. I love it. Thank you, Rev. Oh, let me show y'all how much hair I lost in this whole process. Y'all, I've been losing hair when wash day it's time to lose some hair. For one, I don't wash my hair as often as a lot of people, so it's a lot of breakage and a lot of like hair that just kind of hangs on for dear life as long as possible or until wash day comes. So during wash day, that's when all of the hairs that I've already shedded comes out. And honey, it'd be a lot. I'd be like, I don't even know why I'm not bald at this point. But by the grace of God, I still have hair. But wash day, I lose a lot of hair. This is how much hair I lost. This is how much hair I lost this wash day. Y'all, this is nothing compared to what I've lost in the past. This is washing and blow drying. Usually I lose probably half as much as I lose in washing as I do in blow drying. So this isn't bad. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this at all. So yeah, we're gonna see where this goes, and I will keep y'all posted on kind of the process and how I like it. Again, I'm all about, and aside from like wearing wigs and like, you know, looking to part that way, I really am all about taking care of your own hair, because underneath the wig, I want there to be hair. Hair, honey, I really want there to be hair there. The idea is to protect the hair, not to replace it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Let's have this discussion. If you're interested in more information about the Rev that I haven't mentioned already, you know, let me know. Hit me up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If this is something that you think someone else would enjoy watching, please do share. Until next time, guys, peace. I order a lot online, so I don't even know what this is, but let's check it out now. I already received my amethyst, and this is a clear crystal. Look at that. So this is a quart, and it's really good for purification. So I love it. Let me show you my amethyst. This is my amethyst, and now I have a crystal quart. Beautiful, right?